This is a car show, and there's the Cybertruck. Absolutely one of the most horrifying things I've ever seen. And there's Woody Woodpecker. I'm smoking a cigar. These cars are going mean and proud. Wagon. These cars are mean and proud. Cybertruck, it's the most horrifying and disgusting thing I've ever seen. Oh, I just heard a car go wow. Nicest car I've ever seen. And here's something for you Herbie fans. A Volkswagen. There's a good car for you. Blue car. Nice van. Look at that. Generally nice. Jetson's car. Orange Mobile. Oh yeah, and double O. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's hideous. You can't copy the General Lee. Look at that.
Perfect here.